In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your Windows computer using the Run command. This is a handy trick for quickly accessing applications without needing to navigate through multiple menus. Now let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to locate your Windows search bar. You can usually find this at the bottom left of your screen, right next to the Start menu button, which looks like a small magnifying glass or the word Search. Once you have located the search bar, simply click on it to start typing. Next, you'll want to type the word Run into the search bar. As you type, you might notice some suggestions popping up below. Don't worry about those for now, just continue typing Run in full. Once you've typed it out completely, go ahead and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Doing so will bring up a small window called the Run dialog box. Now that you have the Run window open in front of you, it's time to enter a special command to open PowerPoint. In the text field provided in this window, type PowerPoint. It's important to note that this is the shortened command for PowerPoint and should be written exactly as it appears, with no additional spaces or punctuation. After typing PowerPoint, you have two options to proceed. You can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the OK button located within the Run dialog. Both actions will yield the same result, so choose whichever you find most convenient. Finally, success. Once you've hit Enter or clicked OK, you'll see Microsoft PowerPoint launch automatically on your screen. This method can be especially useful if you're already at your desktop and want to open PowerPoint quickly without clicking through all the menu options. Plus, once you get the hang of using the Run command, you can use it to open all sorts of other programs on your Windows computer with similar ease. And there you have it. You've learned how to effortlessly open PowerPoint using a simple and efficient method. This trick can save you time and streamline your workflow when you need to get cracking on a presentation. Remember, the next time you're at your computer and need to access PowerPoint swiftly, the Run command is your friend. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.